Oh, so sweet. And the wolf, that they head up like a tree. Then the three little pigs, you know the truth. They weren't good builders. That's nothing new. And Cinderella, well, she was lonely. And the prince, he was her one and only. And everyone lived happily ever after.
Ha ha ha! You fill me with laughter. You think I'm a stupid little kid? I know what they really did. The truth is terrible, scary, and ugly. The ending isn't happy, it's bloody. Bad things happen and people die. Don't look at me like that. Do you think I lie?
I hope you're exaggerating. Look, we have all these children waiting. They want a happy story that they make us smile, to dream of princes for a while. Children, do you want the happy version?
For the one we love, where we end up in prison. Ha ha! That's right, children. The truth is dirty, and the wolf wants blood. He's very thirsty.
What did you say?
I say I will die of parto. Meanwhile, the wolf began to feel that he would like a decent meal. So he went and knocked on Grandma's door. When she opened it, she saw the sharp white teeth, the horrid grin.
Hello, Grandma. May I come in? Oh no, he's going to eat me. I'll die. Please, tell my family I say goodbye.
And she was absolutely right. He ate her up in one big bite.
This one, Mama, it's small and tough. There's nothing left. That's not enough. I haven't yet begun to feel that I have had a decent meal. He ran around the kitchen crying. I'll have to eat or I'll be dying. I know. I'll wait for Red Riding Hood to go home from walking in the woods. He quickly put on Grandma's cloak.
He dressed himself in coat and hat. He put on shoes, and after that, he even brushed and curled his hair. Then sat himself in Grandma's chair. In came the little girl in red. She stopped. She stared. She scratched her head.
Grandma, what great big ears you have.
All the better to hear you with, my dear.
Grandma, what great big eyes you have.
All the better to see you with, my dear.
The wolf was watching her and smiled.
Ho ho, I'm going to eat this child. Compared with her old grandmama, she's going to taste like caviar.
Grandma, is that a lovely new fur coat I see? Have you been to El Corte Inglés again? Tell me!
That's not what you're supposed to say. Have you forgot to tell me what big teeth I've got? But it doesn't matter what you say. I'm going to eat you anyway.
The small girl smiled. One eyelid flickers. She whips a pistol from her. He aims at the creature's head and she shoots him dead. Did you see, boys and girls? Red Riding Hood is no fool. She shot the wolf down. She's totally cool. Unbelievable. What? A few weeks later, in the wood, I came across with Miss Rain Hood, but what a change. No clue of her. No silly hook above her head.
My dear, yes. Do please not my lovely furry wolfskin coat?
Pigs are noble, pigs are clever, pigs are well educated. However, now and then, to break this rule, one meets a pig who is a fool.
What, for example, would you say if walking with your was one right there in front of you saw a foot use his half for straw? What's this? I'd like some bacon on my lips. This meat will nicely fill my hips. Little pig, let me go in. No, by the face of my chinny chin chin. Then I have an iPad and I blow your house in. My walls are stronger made of again. You never blow my house away.
But the wolf flew. And down it fell, poor little baby.
Leave on me, again. I don't want to die. This is the end. Oh me, oh man. Bacon, pork, and serrano ham. Oh, what a lucky wolf I am!
And though he ate the pig quite fast, he carefully kept the tail till last. Wolf wandered at night with his foe. Surprise, surprise, for some he saw.
Another house in the mix, and this one has been built of sticks. Little pig, let me come in.
No, why there's so much chitty.
I have my house, and I blow your house in. Okay, Mickey, here I go.
He then began to blow and blow.
Oh, Wolf, don't. You had one meal. Why can't we talk and make a deal?
I don't make deals with pigs so yummy. Chop, now get here in my tummy.
What do you want? I give you money.
Don't look, children, it's quite distressing to see the wolf while he's digesting.
Cute, you see little pigs I've tried. But still I'm not quite satisfied. I know my tongue is big and tight. Oh, how I adore a fight.
So creeping quietly as a mouse, wolf about the dose of fire inside, a little pig trying to hide.
Oh, Andy, my house is slow.
I'll blow it down. It won't take long.
You need a whole lot of off, and I don't think you've got enough.
The wolf puff and do and do. The cow stayed up as good as it.
If I can blow it down and get fed, I'll have to blow it up instead. I'll come up the net at night and blow it up with dynamite!
You silly Bob, I should have known.
The beginning of the tender, he got as good as a pig. Oh, the number of the writing book.
Hello, who's speaking? Tell me, who? Hello, Miss Wood. How do you do? I'm fine. Just out of the shower. I need your help. Would you come in an hour? I try, of course. What's on your mind? The wolf. The one's to leave me behind. My darling pig, don't worry, my sweet. That's something really up my street. I just finished washing my hair, and when it's dry, I'll be right there.
A short
Red Riding Hood. The world was fierce, sky blue and white, and there was nowhere Red Riding Hood could hide. His teeth were sharp, his guns were loud, and it was dripping from his jaws. But then the maiden's eyes flickers. He drew the pistol from her knickers. But then the maiden's eyes flickers. She draws the pistol from her knickers. She kissed the barrel door and will she with us in the show?
Oh, Tickly, you must never trust young ladies with guns in their back.
Pues no me ha tomado esto con las flores. Si no, todavía no. No, a ver, claro, si no se sabía nada. Bien.
Lara, are you ready? Lara, come on. Come on, I'm waiting for you. Okay, ready.
Nadie pasa de esta esquina, aquí cantan las divinas, porque somos gasolina, gasolina de verdad.
Lara, we're supposed to tell a Cinderella story. Look at me dancing in all my glory. Lara, whoa, look! Where is Arlen? Cinderella! The Cinderella story that you know, they was invented years and years ago. They made the seem as nice as pie, but I can tell you, it's all a lie. That's story for babies, but today you see, the truth is shocking, and it said will set you free. To start, they got the first bit right. The big bear in the dead of night. The ugly sisters, Jewels and all. The Bartes or the Palace Ball. But darling little Cinderella stays locked up in a dirty cellar where rats who wanna bite to it begin to never at her feet. Ho ho ho! I hate rats! Help! Let me out! The magic fairy heard her shout. She appeared in a desert. My dear, what's wrong?